Today, class, we are going to practice fluency. Fluency is when you read words accurately without any mistakes, and you read them smoothly, and you read them with expression. I'm going to show you how to do that today, and you're going to practice with me. The first time we read the phrase, we are just thinking about what the words are so we get them exactly right. That's called accuracy. So let's start with number 1. Ready, begin. See, you, jump. We read each word carefully to make sure that we got it accurate or correct. The second time we read, we're going to connect all the words together so it's very smooth. You'll start with your finger right where this little hand is, and you'll follow my cursor pointer all the way across so that it points at each word and connects them all together. Let's begin. Ready, go. See you jump. Then the next time you read, you'll look at the little face to see how am I going to read it with expression. Well, she looks excited. So let's read it in an excited way. Again, you're going to follow along with your finger where my cursor is so that you still connect them smoothly, but you read it with expression. Let's begin. Ready, go. See you jump! Now we've practiced so that we are reading it fluently with expression, accuracy, and smoothly. You're going to practice all of these cards, and when you practice, you want to practice at least 4 times for each phrase. Happy reading!